Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So I'm here at the Dollar Tree getting some white rocks, a clear glass vase, getting some plants, some rope, then another clear glass vase, a plant pot, and then some foam. And I usually see this in my ASMR videos that I subscribe to, so it's pretty cool. Then a fishbowl vase. And then before I left you guys, I saw like this box full of succulents, and I was so happy because I could not find it wherever I went. Every Dollar Tree, they were sold out, so I was pretty lucky. So in these next few steps, I'm not really going to say exactly what I'm doing. It's very self-explanatory in the tutorial what I am doing. So I'm just going to be having my music playing, and I'm just going to be showing you guys exactly what I'm doing with the things that I bought from the store. So go ahead and follow along and just make sure to pay attention to what I'm doing. This is such an easy project to do if you're bored and you just want something very cost efficient and also cute in your house. Then continue on watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you haven't already, and let's just continue on.